Good morning, YouTube. You viewers out there, we're here at we're here in the heat room at the Gold Gym here at the in Austin, Texas. We just came in for doing a little bit of cardio, and we're here to. Damn. I know I'm losing a little bit of weight, but I hate this little this little flubber that comes out of your neck. The reason I know that it's coming out is because I'm transmitting from a DJI Osmo cam. It's got the front view. You can't do that with the GoPro. Not even with the Hero 8 that's supposedly be coming out soon. That's why I still prefer the DJI Osmo, because of the front view. You can pretty much look at yourself in the mirror, which kind of gets you to think that I think I need a shave already. Anyway, we're here in the heat room. There's nobody here. Well, just pretty much me. And I start to sweat pretty hard. I usually don't last but maybe just 30 minutes in here, and that's it. I can't really last too long. The heat's unbearable. I mean, not even my iPhone can last very long. My iPhone gets overheated real quick. But worse yet, that this camera is transmitting at 4K at 60 frames per second. So it will bound to get hot. Anyways, from here, I'm gonna head on to the swimming pool for a little while, and from there I'll probably just head on to the jacuzzi. I've already been done with the cardio. I ran 2.5 miles, which is okay for someone like me that's kind of out of shape. But anyways, just want to get with you on another video blog. I'm going to add this to an edited video that I had made and let me explain it so you know what's going on, because a couple of weeks ago I ordered and y'all need to help me because I don't know how to pronounce it very well. It's called the Zimori Me Spear 360. I got it out of Amazon, $174. It's not that I would have wanted another type of 360 camera, because I already have the GoPro Fusion 360. Just that the GoPro Fusion 360, I've tried to mount it on my DJI drone, and it's a little bit too heavy because it starts to vibrate a lot while I'm flying up. So I ordered this other one. This one's a lot lighter. So I figured a lighter camera, the drone will not tremble so much when it's going airborne, since I want to capture 360 video from up in the sky. Well, I did that yesterday, and if you don't have any comments or answers or something that might be able to help me fix this, but the footage came out terrible. The footage came out terrible. It vibrated too much. Now, that particular camera does not have like rock steady, like the DJI Osmo. It keeps the video steady, even though it might be trembling a lot. It trembled like royally bad. It was a bad video. I'm still gonna post it, and I'm gonna add this video with it. And if you all get a chance to take a look at it, give me a comment to see what else can I do, because I got a feeling that I'm not gonna be able to add the camera to the drone anymore. I thought I could because it was very lightweight, but it's not. I am adding the lightweight, but it's also trembling too much, which means that I can't use that camera for up in the air, which means that now I'm gonna have to use the GoPro Fusion. The GoPro Fusion was a little bit heavier, but it had the shot smooth. But because it also has the built-in anti-shaking, what's that called, the rock steady on the GoPro Fusion. Maybe the new 360 camera, the Max, maybe that one might be a little bit lighter, and if that is, then I'll have to make the investment, another $500, and get me the Max 360 from GoPro. If it's lighter than the older version, then I wouldn't mind using that, attach it to the bottom of the drone, and start doing some aerial pictures of full 360. Anyways, if you all have any suggestions, or leave a comment in the bottom, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you. I think this camera is better than the GoPro 8. This is still gonna be a better camera because I got a selfie video right here. I can actually see myself. It's a lot better, I think. I'm gonna try the let's see, which one else should I try? I'm gonna try the oh, we already did the underwater one. Which one else should we? Which one else were we gonna do? There was another one in there. Oh yeah, the slow motion. I want to try the slow motion one. This is HDR at 4K, 30 frames per second. Yeah, 30. It's supposed to like bring the original color back. The original colors. It does look a little bit brighter. Of course, you gotta realize that it's 6:30 in the morning. It's still dark here in Austin. At the Gold Gym here in Austin, so it's still dark outside. I'm at the outside swimming pool, but this is under the DJI Osmo Action Cam HDR mode. I've been trying several modes since I did the firmware update just last night. Morning.